Hyperliquid may climb 3.9% by tomorrow, per Gov Capital numbers. First, here's what the recent market picture looks like. Hyperliquid has posted a gain of 1.9% over the past day and sits near $80.97. Let's move forward to expert forecasts. According to CoinCodex, the price might dip to $80.89 by tomorrow, a projected fall of 0.1%. CoinDataFlow believes Hyperliquid could move upward toward $81.56, a potential increase near 0.7%. According to Gov Capital, it may edge higher toward $84.09, an estimated gain near 3.9%. A separate projection from Traders Union highlights Hyperliquid may be on track for $86.52, a rise of about 6.9%. That covers all 5 projections. Let's keep exploring. Let's take a closer look at the key details of these forecasts. Based on the collected data from each expert, the expected market range is from a decline of 0.1% to a gain of 6.9%, depending on the analyst. From this, we can see Traders Union holding the top forecast with 6.9% gain in value by tomorrow. It's clear you could earn between $1 and $69 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at volatility data, CoinCodex's forecast indicates the most probable price movement, with a 95.5% chance of success. By reviewing them side by side, I've produced a consensus scenario for clarity. Consensus levels highlight Hyperliquid around $83.27. Here's how it breaks down. The consensus projection points to a 2.8% gain in price by tomorrow. In line with that same percentage, your capital could also register an increase. With 1,000, the numbers suggest a possible $28 more. The probability of the consensus scenario taking place is set at approximately 84.6%. To get the full picture, let's look at the 3-day predictions from analysts. A drop is expected by CoinCodex, reinforcing the downside view. Additionally, CoinDataFlow points to a bearish path. A rising course is projected by Gov Capital. Also, Traders Union describes the near-term outlook as bullish. By aligning the individual forecasts, the consensus indicates Hyperliquid showing upward movement throughout the 3-day period. At this stage, 50% of analyst opinions reflect a bearish scenario for Hyperliquid. 2 days ago, 4 forecasts looked ahead to the next day. With that day now over, we can check the results. As a result, the market finally closed at $78.92. 3 out of 4 matched the actual trend. CoinCodex had the most spot on prediction. Now we'll take it step by step. Yesterday's candle covered just one prediction. As far as ROI is concerned, several predictions were profitable, but CoinCodex stood out with 1.5%. And now, take a look at the table. All verified results together. Gov Capital posted $10.36 accuracy, 3.2% forecast probability, and minus 0.4% ROI. Look closely and see if your pick matched the real outcome. Here's how tomorrow's predictions look for various cryptos compared with Hyperliquid. Hyperliquid falls behind with Undo leading the table at 4.4%. Currently, Hyperliquid is compared with 4 random cryptocurrencies. The broader comparison for many others is already listed on my website. And that's it. Subscribe to follow the ones who prove their accuracy day by day. Bye for now.